The Dewalt 20V Max Paint Sprayer offers cordless convenience, making it an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts looking to tackle various painting projects without the hassle of cords. This paint sprayer is compatible with a range of Dewalt 20V Max batteries, ensuring you can use existing power sources without needing to purchase new ones. Equipped with a powerful 200-watt brushless motor, this sprayer provides consistent and reliable performance for both small and large painting tasks. Its 4 copper nozzles ranging from 1 mm to 3 mm offer versatility for different coating needs and enhance the sprayer's durability against paint corrosion. The adjustable spray pattern and distance control make it easy to achieve precise coverage, catering to both beginner and experienced users. A 12-month replacement warranty provides assurance of quality, while responsive customer service ensures any issues are promptly addressed.